Tough Team. My name is Carl Walton, Supervisor of Media Services and Technology for the Irvington Public School System. Let me talk to you real quick, not as a tech guy, but as an educator who's been in this game for over 30 years. I've seen chalkboards turn to smartboards and lesson plans move from paper binders to digital drives. And I gotta say, this moment right here, this Gemini AI in Google Classroom, it's a game changer, a real one. Now, if I'm being honest, I wish we had this back in the day. So what is Gemini? Gemini is like the assistant we all dreamed of. It lives right inside Google Classroom, and it's free. It helps you plan lessons, write quizzes, simplify texts, spark ideas, and even build custom learning tools for your students. But let me be clear, this ain't magic. It's not about pushing a button and walking away. You still have to think, guide, edit, and lead. What Gemini gives you is time, flexibility, and a whole new way to facilitate learning, like a producer setting the stage. This is like having an IEP for every kid. That's how customizable and responsive this tool can be. You can give Gemini a topic, a grade level, and in seconds, it'll build the first draft of a lesson or quiz. Need a reading level for your ELA students? Done. Want to stretch your advanced learners? Gemini's got you. Need a hook to start the class with some energy? Boom. It'll write one that grabs the attention. You can even create stories tailored to your class theme or build choice boards that auto-format into assignments. And coming soon, you'll be able to create your own AI helpers called GEMs. Imagine making a study partner or a quiz bot trained on your class materials or using Notebook LM to turn your uploads into interactive study guides and audio overviews. This isn't just tech, it's power tools for master teachers like you. Now listen, AI is only as powerful as the person using it. So this ain't about replacing you. It's about amplifying your creativity, your experience, and your wisdom. It's about giving you the freedom to teach the way you've always wanted to, with more time to coach, connect, and inspire. So what am I telling you? Power up your game. Bring your vision, bring your strategy, bring your wisdom, bring your talents, and let AI assist you in reaching those teaching goals. Because when you bring the heart and the hustle and the human touch, Gemini's got the back end.